The 2026 Porsche Taycan continues the evolution of electric sedans. Its development reflects steady updates rather than a complete redesign. Porsche has refined the model since its original global debut. The Taycan first entered production as Porsche's first fully electric vehicle. Since then, it has received incremental improvements in performance and efficiency. The 2026 version builds on lessons learned from earlier model years. Delays were minimal as Porsche followed a planned upgrade cycle. Engineering updates focused on battery technology and software optimization improvements. These changes aim to improve range and reduce charging times. The company also worked on improving thermal management systems significantly. Pricing for the 2026 Taycan is expected to increase slightly globally. In Europe, it will likely start above its previous base pricing. In the United States, it may see moderate adjustments due regulations. Higher trims will continue to command a significant premium over base models. This places the Taycan firmly in the luxury electric sedan segment. It competes with other premium electric vehicles in similar price brackets. Affordability remains limited to high-income buyers or business users primarily. However, it offers value through performance engineering and build quality consistency. Ownership costs may improve due to better efficiency and charging improvements. Residual values are expected to remain stable based on past trends. Porsche as a brand carries a long history of performance engineering. The Taycan represents a shift into electrification while maintaining brand identity. It aligns with Porsche's strategy to electrify a large portion lineup. Reliability expectations remain strong due to Porsche's engineering and testing processes. Durability is supported by high-quality materials and strict manufacturing standards. The Taycan must meet expectations set by iconic internal combustion Porsche models. This includes maintaining driving engagement even in an electric configuration. The brand's reputation depends on balancing innovation with traditional performance values. Customer expectations are high due to Porsche's established global presence. The Taycan plays a critical role in maintaining that reputation. The 2026 Taycan continues to use the J1 electric platform architecture. This platform was specifically developed for high-performance electric vehicles. It allows for a low center of gravity due battery placement. The structure supports dual-motor configurations for all-wheel drive capability. It also enables high-voltage systems that improve charging speeds significantly. The 800-volt architecture remains a key feature of this platform. This reduces charging times compared to lower-voltage electric systems. The platform also supports multiple body styles including sedan and wagon. Structural rigidity contributes to improved handling and passenger safety levels. Overall construction focuses on balancing weight distribution and performance characteristics. Exterior design remains consistent with Porsche's established styling philosophy approach. The Taycan features a low and wide stance for aerodynamic efficiency. Front design includes slim headlights and smooth airflow focus surfaces. The profile shows a coupe-like roofline despite its four-door layout. Rear styling continues with a full-width light bar design element. Subtle updates for 2026 may include revised lighting signatures and trims. Aerodynamic improvements are expected to enhance efficiency and driving range slightly. Wheel designs may also be updated for improved airflow management purposes. Overall proportions emphasize performance rather than purely practical design considerations. The design reflects Porsche's intention to maintain a recognizable identity. In terms of size, the Taycan sits within the executive sedan segment. It is comparable to other large premium electric sedans in dimensions. Length and width provide a stable platform for high-speed driving. Interior space is adequate but not class-leading in rear seating comfort. Cargo capacity is divided between front and rear storage compartments. The low roofline slightly affects rear headroom for taller passengers inside. However, the layout prioritizes driving dynamics over maximum interior space. Compared to competitors, it offers a more driver-focused cabin environment. Ground clearance remains relatively low due to its performance-oriented design focus. This reinforces its positioning as a sports sedan rather than utility vehicle. Powertrain options for the 2026 Taycan are expected to expand slightly. Base models may feature single-motor rear-wheel drive configurations again. Higher trims will continue using dual-motor all-wheel drive systems. Performance variants will deliver significantly higher output and acceleration capabilities. Horsepower figures are expected to increase compared to previous model versions. Battery capacity improvements should also contribute to extended driving range figures. Charging speeds will remain a key advantage due to 800-volt architecture. Regenerative braking systems are expected to become more refined and efficient. Transmission remains a 2-speed setup on the rear axle system. This allows better acceleration and efficiency at higher driving speeds. Efficiency improvements align with tightening global emissions and energy regulation standards. Although fully electric, the Taycan must still meet regional efficiency requirements. Software updates will optimize energy consumption under various driving conditions consistently. Thermal systems will help maintain battery performance across different climates globally. Charging infrastructure compatibility continues to improve with wider network support. Porsche may also enhance integration with public fast charging networks worldwide. Range figures are expected to improve but remain dependent on driving conditions. Urban efficiency will likely benefit more than high-speed highway driving scenarios. Energy management systems will continue evolving through over-the-air updates. This ensures long-term usability and adaptability for changing user needs. Inside the cabin, the Taycan maintains a technology-focused layout design. Multiple digital displays provide driver information and infotainment system controls. Material quality remains high with a mix of leather and alternatives. Seating comfort is designed for both daily use and spirited driving. Driver assistance systems are expected to improve with updated sensor technologies. Connectivity features will support modern smartphone integration and remote vehicle management. Software updates will enhance usability and interface responsiveness over time significantly. The cabin layout remains relatively minimal compared to traditional luxury vehicles. This reflects a shift toward digital interfaces and reduced physical controls. Ergonomics are designed to maintain focus on driving rather than distractions. Within Porsche's global lineup, the Taycan serves as a flagship electric model. It complements other electrified offerings while setting benchmarks for performance standards. The model is targeted at buyers seeking performance without internal combustion engines. It also appeals to existing Porsche customers transitioning to electric mobility solutions. Fleet and corporate buyers may consider it for executive transportation needs. The Taycan's role will expand as Porsche increases electric vehicle production globally. Future updates will likely continue refining efficiency and performance characteristics steadily. Overall, it represents a balance between tradition and modern automotive technology. The 2026 Taycan reflects Porsche's long-term commitment to electrification strategies. It is designed for drivers who prioritize performance within an electric framework.